अब पिछले सत्र यानी वसंतकालीन सत्र 2025 के चैंपियन स्क्वाड्रन चैंपियन बैनर अकादमी को वापस कर रहे हैं। बैनर सौंपने के बाद चीता स्क्वाड्रन के स्क्वाड्रन कैडेट कैप्टन दीपक राणा अपनी प्लेटून में पुनः शामिल होंगे।
पारितोषिक प्राप्त करता
I now have the privilege to announce the award of medals and the Inter-Squadron Championship banner for autumn term 2025. Trainees of the Passing Out Indian Naval Academy course and Naval Orientation courses are awarded medals to recognize their efforts and excellence during their training. Trainees are awarded medals for their performances in academics, physical training, swimming, drill, small arms firing, service subjects, extracurricular activities and soft skills, including prepared talks, management and organizational skills. They are also assessed for their officer-like qualities. Based on the cumulative assessment of their performance, the Academy determines the recipient of medals each term. Ladies and gentlemen, you will shortly witness the medal awarding ceremony followed by the award of the Champion Squadron banner. The reviewing officer will now felicitate the award winners.
The President's Gold Medal for the trainee standing first in the overall order of merit in 109 Indian Naval Academy course is awarded to Midshipman Vishesh Kumar. The Chief of the Naval Staff Silver Medal in 109th Indian Naval Academy course is awarded to Midshipman Shaurya Aditya Prajapati. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief Southern Naval Command Bronze Medal in 109th Indian Naval Academy course is awarded to Midshipman Rishabh Kumar. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Trophy for the trainee standing first in the overall order of merit in 109th Indian Naval Academy Course N is awarded to Midshipman Siddharth Jhakar.
ക്യാമറ ഓഡിയൻസിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്.
The Chief of the Naval Staff Gold Medal for the trainee standing first in the overall order of merit in 40th Naval Orientation Course Extended is awarded to Cadet Hrishikesh Chaitanya. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Silver Medal in 40th Naval Orientation Course Extended is awarded to Cadet Shreyas Avde. The Commandant, Indian Naval Academy Bronze Medal is awarded to Cadet Advait Avinash Bhave. The Commandant, Indian Naval Academy Silver Medal is awarded in 41st Naval Orientation Course Regular to Cadet Satvik Dikshit. The Director General Coast Guard Trophy for the Best Coast Guard Trainee in 41st Naval Orientation Course Coast Guard is awarded to Cadet Ishan Shekhar. The Commandant's Champion Squadron banner for autumn term 2025 has been won by the Achiever Squadron. The Squadron Cadet Adjutant Saksham Thakre is receiving the Champion Squadron banner.
पारितोषिक प्राप्त करता बस
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to all the awardees and the champion squadron. The primary aim of this institution is to train our cadets in the art of cultivating a way of life, in which the highest and noblest attribute of discipline, character and courage are not only blended but also nurtured and nourished.